everyone, and welcome to day 2 of my baby bow tutorial videos. This week I'm going to be making a video every day on how to make a different kind of baby bow, as that's my most requested bow in the comments. So I'll leave a clickable I button in the top right corner to the first video that I did, and I'll also pop a link below for you. So let's get started on this one. Today's baby bow is a baby boutique bow. So I've got some ribbon. This is 22mm or 7/8 of an inch ribbon, and it is 18 inches long. So one end is cut straight and the other end is cut at an angle. This is completely optional. It just finishes it off nicer if it's cut at an angle. So we start with the straight end, and what I like to do is just fold it in half, fold it in half again, crease those ends so you've got some creases to work with. I've left a little bit overhanging there because we're going to leave a little bit over, which you'll see in a second. So we open it out and we start with the straight end. So first of all, I'm going to get this and I'm going to fold it over the first crease like that. Then I find the second crease and I join that in the middle like that. And then we find the third crease and we're going to put it in between there. So this is the bottom piece, these are the top two pieces, we're going to put it in between like that. And make sure we pinch it tightly, and then we get this piece with the slanted end and overlap that into the middle. And then what we want to do is have a look and check that all our loops are roughly the same size, and if not, we need to just straighten them out. That looks okay to me. And then what we need to do, with our fingers on the back and our thumbs in the middle, we need to push it up and concertina fold one side and then fold it down again. So we push this side up and then back down on itself, so it's a concertina fold. Looks a bit messy at the back and at the front like this. But making sure you keep hold of that pinch continuously. You don't want to lose that pinch because it's such a tiny bow. So then what you're going to do, you can kind of see what it looks like. You're going to get a needle and thread. Make sure you've got a knot in the end of your thread, and then I'm going to sew it through there, still pinching it. And then wrap it around the middle, pull it tight, and then fluff it out and see what you think to it. Now, because the ribbon is so small, you might have one that looks a little bit out, which this one does, but once you've got the middle on, it'll look absolutely fine. So what I'm going to do is just tie that off on the back. And one good thing about these bows, if you can't master the 3-inch ribbon to make a JoJo boutique, just try it on a smaller ribbon, maybe 2-inch, 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch ribbon is probably the best to give these a go at. 1.5 inch is probably the best to use to practice on these. It's a nice size ribbon to practice on, so you can get the folds right. And that is really what makes this bow give it the shape that it is. It's the folds in the middle. So once we've done that, we're going to decide what we need to put on the back of this. So we have 45mm alligator clips, teeth clips, and we also have the single prong clips, and we also have some Velcro. Now this particular bow, I'm going to use the 45mm clip. So what I'm going to do is just put some glue along the edge. And then turn the bow over and glue it to the back. I find these clips stay in baby's hair a little bit better because of the teeth on it. Okay, so what we need now is some 10mm, 1 centimetre wide ribbon. Make sure you've heat sealed the end. And this is going to wrap around the middle. You can either do a contrasting colour, or you can do a sparkly glitter, or just match it like I have. So we pop a little bit of glue on the clip in the middle, and we just glue that ribbon into there. And then we wrap it round. Oh, make sure it's stuck. Now when you're wrapping it round, you need to make sure the folds are folded down how they should be. And when we get to the back, we need to cut it where it ends the clip. And we heat seal that end so it doesn't fray. And then we're going to glue this, a little bit of glue. And glue it under the clip, like that. Any excess, just put a little bit of glue on. Remove any excess glue, and then we turn it over and we make sure all the ends are folded how they should be. And then what you could do if you really wanted to, I don't like to because it's a baby bow, so I don't like to put gems on just in case they fall off, but you could put a gem in the middle, you could put a little gem on the edge like the JoJo ones. But this is how to make the boutique bow. And the rough size of the baby boutique with 18-inch long ribbon is 2.5 inch. So it's a 2.5 to 3 inch ribbon, because you can wear them flat, which would make it a 3-inch ribbon. But if you like the corners to be plumped up, makes it 2.5 inches. So it is only tiny. So let me know how you get on with making these. And if you'd like to see any different kinds of baby bows being made, let me know in the comments. Because I've got 3 more days worth of baby bow videos to make. Tomorrow I'm going to make one with the Velcro. I do have another video which I'll pop a link in the comments below on how to make some Velcro baby bows, but we will make some more this week and just recap over it and go from there. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give me a like on the video, pop any comments you have below. I do some live videos every now and again where you can come and have a chat with me, and I can make something live just for you on that video. So pop me a comment below, let me know what you like best about this. Was it easy to follow? Is there anything I can make clearer for you? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell too. So I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, bye.